Hi, I'm Carolyn from Reps Anywhere and I'm going to take you through August's UK Avon brochure and sale brochure. Offers and pricing in August's brochures are available to order online from the 1st until the 31st of August at midnight, and you'll find a link to the current brochure as well as the featured products in the description below. Let's start with the launch of Avon's Extrovert Extreme Volume Mascara. If you love lash volume but can't find a mascara extreme enough, this mascara might be right up your street. To use, simply sweep one coat onto lashes for instant impact and build extra volume with more coats until you get the extreme volume look you're looking for. The launch price is just £9, or you can get a full eye look for £16, which includes the mascara as well as a Power Stay shadow stick and a glimmer stick eyeliner with 3 different shades to choose from. Back by popular demand for a limited time are these 2 midi eyeshadow palettes offering a choice of golden nudes or smoky nudes for just £8 each. They're great value for money and have everything you need to create an everyday nude look or an easy smoky eye look. Not only are Avon's iconic glimmer stick eyeliners on offer this month, but there are also some new eye-popping shades that are perfect for summer. At just £6.50 each, 2 for £8 or 3 for £10, they're a great buy. Moving on to fragrance, we have 2 new eau de toilettes in the Pure Blanca range. Golden Burst fragrance with blood orange, water lily and white musk. Sunshine Bloom with notes of bergamot, ylang ylang and hay. Both of these fragrances are floral, fruity and easy to wear and are £8 this month. Today for him is an aromatic fragrance with stunning neroli, bright orange blossom and bold Haitian vetiver. Celebrate, a beautiful floral and fruity eau de parfum with gorgeous white peach, peony and musk fragrance for just £10. Next we have Incandessence Lotus Eau de Parfum. Is a sophisticated choice with quince, blooming water lotus and cotton musk. This is launching at £12 in August. Summer White, 2 new summery fragrances to take you from day to evening. Capture the essence of a summer day with the floral beauty of Summer White Eau de Toilette and discover the scent of sunshine with every spritz of freesia, jasmine and musk. Or feel the warmth of the sun at sunset with the floral and oriental fragrance of Summer White Sunset Eau de Toilette and embrace the subtle rays of sunshine with pink pepper, lotus flower and birchwood. Wild Country Eau de Toilette is another fragrance that's new to the UK with fresh lavender, adventurous geranium and warm sandalwood. £10 in August, or you can get both the Eau de Toilette and the hair and body wash for £11.50. Lastly, we have Aspire Man Eau de Toilette. It's a fresh, citrusy aftershave with a vibrant bergamot, bold ginger root and smooth cedarwood fragrance. Just £8 in August. The Harmony Ritual, designed to help you recharge your batteries with a refreshing spa ritual, enriched with lingonberry and pine extract. There are 3 products in the range, a bath elixir, a face mask and a body butter at £5, £4 and £7. Or you can get all 3 for £12 in August. Get ready to wave goodbye to bath time drama with Avon's strawberry scented Llama Mama collection. The strawberry fragrance is somewhere between really ripe sweet fresh strawberries and strawberry sweets. So this is going to be perfect for kids who want to smell like strawberry laces rather than anyone looking for a subtle delicate strawberry scent. If you love a bargain, then you will love August's extra sale brochure, jam-packed with over 150 products for under £5. And as if that wasn't enough, you'll also get a free gift when you spend £15 on anything in the sale brochure. If you have trouble deciding which scent bubble bath to buy or fancy trying something new, then grab yourself a sensational surprise and a discount. When you choose one of the body wash, lotions, bubble baths, hand wash or hand lotions, you'll receive a gorgeous mystery scent at a fraction of the cost. If you want to know what's coming in September, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be first to know when we publish the new video.